Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I will show you how to add your headphones SteelSeries Arctis GameBuds to the application. You have to start by open settings, then go to connected devices, now open the charging case and remove your headphones from the charging case. Now this LED light should blinking blue to enter prank mode, but if it doesn't, just press and hold both of headphones for at least 3 seconds. So 1, 2, 3. If you have the same problem, just put your headphones to the charging case, close the case, now open it again and remove your headphones from the charging case. Now again we should check it, and they enter into prank mode. Now click on it. Then hide the settings and open the application. Click select a device, click on Arctis GameBuds, connect to app, pair. Yes, and we did it! Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. It's really important to us. See you later!